Calibrating the server timeout in The Sims 4 can help improve your gaming experience by reducing lag and connection issues. Follow these steps to adjust the server timeout settings effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Open The Sims 4 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options button to access the game settings where you can adjust various gameplay features. Step 2. Locate online settings. Within the Options menu, look for the Online or Network Settings tab. This section contains options related to your online gameplay and server connections. Step 3. Adjust server timeout. Find the server timeout setting in the online settings. You may see options for adjusting the timeout duration. Increase or decrease the timeout value based on your preference for connection stability. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the server timeout, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button within the Options menu to ensure your new settings are implemented. Step 5. Restart the game. Exit the Options menu and restart The Sims 4 to apply the new server timeout settings. This will ensure that the changes take effect and you can experience improved gameplay. By following these steps, you can calibrate the server timeout in The Sims 4 for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.